Madam, the mailman brought this for you.
Who is it from?
No, ma'am.
Put it down. Who is Sam? 020-817-5968. Surprise! Hello? This is Joan Brown. Yeah, you just sent me a teddy bear and a card. But I don't know you. What? An old schoolmate. An old schoolmate. All right. Okay, I'll see you at lunchtime. All right. Bye.
working on. I'm also into importation of computer hardware and phone accessories. That's what I do for a living now.
Is that lucrative?
Very lucrative. Very. But highly capitalized if you should think of the cost involved. Highly capitalized.
So how come you never contacted me all this?
So that I wasn't here, you know, I was abroad. They studied in Europe. I stayed there until just last year. I came back to establish my home. So now I'm coming up to have to do something for myself. It's just that I'm looking for you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, if I'm not sure, I can put you
Now that you found me, what can I do for you?
what you can do for me. Everything. Because I want it all.
Okay, Sam. I gotta go.
Oh, come on, you knew right just now.
So see you later.
Come on, what do you
You have my number.
let me scratch you up. Get like the brown and brown, the guys call you brown.
The essence of this gathering is to tell you that you people are trying. But I want you to work harder. As the overhead cost is growing. Therefore, we want the productivity to grow too. If not, the company will be forced to lay off some workers. And who is that? Am I talking to dummies? Huh? It's funny. Nobody is ready to answer me, huh?
Why, it is me who talk.
And what were you talking about? Hmm?
Nothing, man.
Where are you coming from?
I went to the other side, calling the rest. They are coming.
Have I asked you anything, Mr. Adams? Don't bring yourself. Now get out of my face. Get away. All right, you can go. You can go since you've talked. You can go. Get back. The management of this company has decided to add 20% bonus to everybody's salary. Hey! I want everybody to work very hard, to put in your best. Work very hard. I hope you heard me right.
Yes, madam.
Thank you.
You know what? Honestly, I like him. He is handsome and attractive young man. But he's a little hazy at the moment. Well, the first signs that we like him. You said
Good day, madam.
Good day.
I am Freddie Joseph. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, madam.
What can I do for you?
Well, my company and yours have been doing business for quite some time now. But I've never made it a point to visit my partners. I just decided to do it this once.
Which company is that?
Calvary Constructions Limited.
Oh, Calvary Constructions Limited. You're welcome.
Thank you. Actually, I'm the new managing director. I took over from my daddy who passed away last year.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
It's okay, it's okay. Can I call you Miss Brown?
With our pleasure.
Okay, Miss Brown, this is a little something as a token in appreciation for awarding us the last contract worth over $80,000. You know, it's gratifying to know that there are still companies who can award you such large contracts without even expecting you to grease their palms.
I'm sorry I can't take your gift.
Why? You didn't ask for it. Look, this is from my board of directors. If not for anything, for the fact that I'm the messenger sent to you by my board, please.
I can see you push very hard.
That's me.
All right. I'll take it.
Thank you. You don't know how glad I am. I should say thank you very much. And then, God bless you.
God bless you too.
Well, I should be taking leave of you now.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And good day.
Have a good day too. Bye, Miss Brown.
Bye.
Joanna, I don't feel comfortable discussing this with your father.
Why? Why?
Listen, don't you think your dad might take me to be a gold digger?
Sir, my father is not like that. He's a businessman. He will understand it.
Listen, I'm not comfortable with this idea. Do you get me? I'm not.
Hey, come on.
I touched you there.
Joan, what is the matter with your fiance?
Daddy has a problem. His goods has arrived at the port and he needs some money to go and clear it.
You saw the goods yourself?
No, Daddy, but the people in charge confirmed they've arrived. I saw the documents myself.
Like, how much does he need?
At about $50,000.
$50,000.
Yes.
Well, It's okay. I think that is not much. You only need to check the things yourself. That's all.
Does it mean you're going to give him something?
Certainly. For your sake. I will. Yes.
You did.
No.
Yes, Daddy. I've gone to the harbor myself and once more, the documents were confirmed by the officials in charge. But I am not too sure if you would want to...
It's all right, baby. Sit down. It's all right. You know, sometimes we have no option than to compromise on positions. Let's give this young man benefit of doubt.
Are you sure that?
Sure.
Thank you so much, Daddy.
No.
Thank you. You're one in a million.
Thank you. You are my all in all, you know. It's all right.
Thanks. I have to take a shower.
Okay.
Darling.